When we talk about the shape of the nails, the most underrated shape out there is the duck feet shaped nails. When you mention duck feet shaped nails, you're gonna get some haters. Oh, that's ugly. That's nasty. But that's because they don't understand and they don't know the history behind the duck feet shape, how it started. Back in the day, little Samantha got a brand new job. She was excited. The moment she started her job, she walks in, all the employee was dogging at her, looking at her the wrong way, whisper, look at that girl, she got no nails on, she got nubs, she's not gonna make it. Of course, little Samantha was confident. She looks in the mirror and say, you know what, I got this. They're gonna love me for who I am. So of course, little Samantha hit the stage and nobody noticed her, not even one penny. So she was beat. All the other employee with the stiletto, the coffin shapes, taper square was getting all the attention. She went home sad, saying she got to pursue her dream. She got to find a way. She looked outside the window, saw a bunch of little duckling walking, and everybody stopped for the duckling. Take a picture, car stop, let the duckling cross the street. She said, I need to be noticed like that. I need to be like that duck. So she went to the nail salon, asked for some duck feet shaped nails. She's like, this is what I need. Got back to work, walking with more confidence. All the girl was like, ooh, what she got on? That's crazy. She hit the stage and they made it rain.